Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Dell laptop. This is a Dell Inspiron 14. The exact model is a Dell Inspiron 3437. That information can be found at the bottom of the laptop right over here. It says Inspiron 3437 model. The tag service for this one is an F84R3Z1. All right, and this is pretty much, it says Dell Inspiron 14 because it's a 14-inch, I believe, and it's a 14 series. Right. And in this video, I'm going to go over how you can open it up and how you can add, remove the RAMs for yours. If you're coming with a 2 gig RAM or 4 gig RAM, you can upgrade it to an 8 gig if you want to without any problems. I'll leave the link for a video that I made, how you can check the maximum RAM capacity for your laptop. Check that link in the video description in case you want to know your maximum RAM capacity based on the CPU version that you have, grade that you have on your laptop. This video is solely on how you can open it up and how you can upgrade or remove. All right, just remember, by removing the RAM or upgrading, you're not going to change anything in the system. All the configuration is being set automatically by the BIOS, so it pretty much is plug and play. All right, first thing first, you want to power off the laptop. You want to flip it upside down. This one is already has the battery removed. So what we want to do right now here to grab a screwdriver set. We're going to grab the iFix screwdriver set. And from this tool set, we're going to use a Phillips number 1. And the only thing we're going to remove here is one single screw, which is right in here. This is a service cover and has only one screw right here. So we're going to remove it. All right, once you remove this one, what you want to do, you want to bring the cover towards yourself a little bit, just a little slight bit, and then lift it up and then slide it towards the self, and it will release the bottom corner. So it just kind of has a little hooks in here. They just go right through here. So pretty much you want to bring it up. Let's say it goes in like this. It snaps in. You want to grab from the middle, bring it towards yourself and in the corners, and wiggle it around a little bit. Don't yank it too much. Just bring it towards yourself. So you can release the tiny hooks that goes right in there. All right, once you remove that, you can see the RAM sticks right in here. The different color doesn't matter. You might have only one and one free slot available. So let's say if I want to remove this one right now, and it will say, you might have it just like this, just RAM 1, and there's another second slot right over here. To remove the RAM, it's really simple. All you want to do, you want to put your fingers right at the triggers right over here. There's a trigger right in here and trigger right here. So you want to push this trigger to the right, this one to the right, left and right, and the RAM will pop out in 45-degree angle. And what you want to do, you don't want to yank it towards the ceiling. You want to slide it in the same 45-degree angle backward, and the RAM will come out. This is a 2 gig DDR3L. L stands for low voltage. When you put a new RAM in, make sure the notch on the RAM matches the notch right on the DIMM. There's a cut right there. So if you try to put it the other way around, it will not simply go through. So you want to flip it, the orientation, and make sure the notch is matching. And you want to put it inside the jack in 45-degree angle and push it inside the jack in 45-degree angle. And then simply you want to push it towards the motherboard. And you're going to see these two triggers open and close. Just like that. They'll make a nice sweet click sound. Once you have that one in, you can put a 4 gig in there and 4 gig in here. You have a total of 8 gig. So same thing here. Make sure the notch on the RAM matches the notch on the DIMM. Bring it in 45-degree angle inside the connector and push it towards the motherboard. Once you have the RAM installed in place, all you want to do is power on and wait up to 5 or 30 seconds for the motherboard to do a mem check. If after 30 seconds you still don't get anything on the screen, what you want to do, you want to power off, switch the RAM places, remove the old one, put it on the second DIMM, the new one on the first DIMM, and then power it on again, and it will forcefully make the motherboard to do a mem check. Once you finish with that, you can grab the bottom cover, slide it in an offset position, and then push it in. Push these corners really hard right in here, and it will click in. And to finish it off is to put the bottom screw right over, just like that. And I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out. If you want to support the channel, you can do that by clicking that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.